Imagine getting into an accident, and suddenly, it's your word against theirs. No witnesses, no proof. That's exactly where a dash cam can make all the difference. It's more than just a camera on your windshield. It can protect you during accidents, support insurance claims, and give you peace of mind every time you drive. In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the best dash cams available today, so you can choose the right one based on how you drive and the protection you need. And before we get started, just a quick reminder. You'll find links to every product in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 5. Rexing V1P Dash Cam. Many dash cams are bulky, easy to notice, and often fail to record clearly when lighting conditions change or when the car is parked. That can make important moments unreliable or even completely missed. The Rexing V1P keeps things simple with a low-profile design that stays discreet on the windshield while recording both front and rear views at the same time. Its full HD video with wide dynamic range helps balance footage in bright daylight and low-light conditions. When storage fills up, older clips are automatically overwritten, while impact-detected footage is safely locked. Priced at $149, it offers dependable recording, clean installation, and peace of mind for everyday driving. Number 4. Vantrue N4 Pro Dash Cam. Basic dash cams often struggle at night and fail to capture everything happening around the vehicle, which can weaken accident evidence. The Vantrue N4 Pro is built for drivers who need complete coverage. It records 3 angles at once: the front, rear, and interior, using advanced Starvis 2 sensors for sharp detail even in low light. Adaptive HDR and enhanced night vision improve license plate visibility, while buffered parking mode keeps your vehicle protected around the clock. Fast Wi-Fi and app support make sharing footage simple. Available for $279, this dash cam is well suited for professional drivers, rideshare use, and anyone who wants full visibility and reliable evidence. Number 3. VIOFO A229 Duo Dash Cam. Many dual dash cams struggle with motion blur, poor night performance, and inaccurate location data, limiting their usefulness during serious incidents. The VIOFO A229 Duo focuses on clarity and accuracy by recording 4K video in the front and 2K in the rear using advanced Starvis 2 sensors. HDR improves detail in both bright and dark conditions, while voice control allows hands-free operation while driving. Built-in GPS records speed and location data for added context, and multiple parking modes protect your vehicle when parked. Designed to handle extreme temperatures, it delivers stable performance. Priced at $329, it's a strong choice for drivers who want detailed, trustworthy footage. Number 2. Nextbase 622 GW Dash Cam. Shaky video, slow file transfers, and limited usability can make dash cams frustrating when clear evidence matters most. The Nextbase 622 GW solves this with crisp 4K recording supported by digital image stabilization, even on rough roads or in poor weather. Dual-band Wi-Fi allows faster transfers to your phone, while built-in Alexa voice control lets you operate the camera hands-free. Super slow-motion recording helps capture fine details like license plates during critical moments. With a rear camera included and simple setup, it offers both performance and convenience. Selling for $349, it's ideal for drivers who want advanced features without sacrificing ease of use. Number 1. Blackview DR970X-2 CH Cam. High-end vehicles and long-term parking require more than basic recording, especially when remote access and premium video quality are important. The Blackview DR970X-2 CH delivers true 4K UHD recording in the front and full HD in the rear, providing excellent clarity day and night. Built-in Wi-Fi and optional cloud connectivity allow remote viewing, alerts, and automatic backups when connected to a hotspot. Fast boot-up ensures recording starts quickly, and support for large-capacity storage allows extended recording without worry. Powered through USB-C for a clean installation, it offers top-tier reliability. Priced at $491, it's designed for drivers who want maximum protection without compromise. Every dash cam we covered today can protect you, as long as it fits your vehicle and matches the way you drive. You don't need the most expensive option. You need the one that gives you the right balance of features, reliability, and peace of mind. So tell me, which dash cam would you trust in your car? Comment below with your top pick, and let me know what you'd like me to review next. If this video helped you make a smarter choice, give it a like, and subscribe for more real-world auto tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and stay protected.